Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a ghost DJ. I think this drawing's going to be really cute, and I think it's great. And you can draw this if you're a complete beginner or anywhere in between, above that. Uh, Stay all the way to the very end of the video. It is very, very short. It's only about 8 minutes. So in 8 minutes, you will have a new skill, okay? So stick all the way to the end. Okay, let's get started. Ooh, also, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw Halloween, hit the subscribe button right now and click the bell notification. That's going to let you know when I post. It'll show up on your feed as a thumbnail, and you'll be like, okay, cool, I want to draw that, All right, let's get into this. So first thing I'm going to do is going to draw the DJ table. Let me flip the paper over. It's a little weird. Oopsie daisy. We're going to draw the DJ table in front of him. So we're going to draw a straight line. Like so. Another line over here angled out. Another line angled out. And I'm gonna, angle out a little bit more. Okay, angle a little bit more. And then I'm gonna pull a line across. Circle here for the actual DJ set. Circle here, and it's at an angle itself. It's pretty simple though. Gonna pull a line down, line down, line down. Angle out here, and then angle across. Okay, so we got the DJ set. You can do a couple of things to that. You can throw maybe like, I don't know, you can throw little speakers on it, or it's kind of up to you, but leaving it like that's fine. You can also draw maybe like a little banner, right? Something like that on there. Okay, so let's draw the ghost actually there. And what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to start with the headphones of the ghost. So it's going to be kind of like that circle shape, a little bit above there. I'm going to draw a circle shape on that circle shape right there to give it kind of some 3D. I'm going to pull it over. And I'm going to pull it over as well because the headphones go over the head. Okay, doing good. I'm going to pull a line down, and we're going to draw the actual ghost now. Down here, pull up. His hand, like he's got his hand up, like, he's partying. Go to the back, down, line over here. Gonna draw like a wiggly line there where he's behind the actual setup. Right? Like he's partying and he's behind that actual setup there. Might throw a line over here for the folding of that cloth. Gonna draw his other hand in front, like so. Line over here. Basically, it's like a hot dog shape for his eye. Same thing on this side. Line across, line across. Gonna draw a bump over here for the far side earmuff. Okay. And I'm going to fill in the bottom part of this eye because I want it to look like a highlight, and that looks a lot more like a highlight when I just fill it in as opposed to more or less not really doing that, like leaving it open like that. It's just not going to look right. So I'm just going to fill in the bottom part like so. Okay. I'm going to, you have a couple of shapes for the mouth. I'm going to do an O shape, like his woo, you know. I just think that's kind of, I like it for this. You can choose a smiley face, you can choose a frown, you can choose a line across. It's really up to you what kind of mouth you want to draw. But I'm going to draw this, like woo, like he's going woo, like he's, maybe it could be like the music or something he's wooing to, or it could be the boo, like he's kind of like, you know, getting that music going. Curve line up. I'm going to draw a thicker line around this entire shape. And the reason I'm doing that is I want it to look like a sticker. Gonna go over here, out so. Curve line over here. And it has a kind of like that, you know, genuine sticker look. What'll really help as well if you draw like music notes coming from here. So line, line, out like so, curve here. We draw another one. We try to draw another one so that has, you know, like you want a couple of musical notes coming out. And there you go. That's a cute ghost as a DJ. If you enjoyed that, if you got value from this, what you can do to repay the channel is to share the video either with a friend, or you go to take 2 seconds and automatically share it. I think it's on the bottom right hand corner if you're on a desktop, where you can auto share it to anything you're logged in. You can auto share it to Twitter, to Pinterest, to Reddit, to anything you're on. But it does a lot. It takes 2 seconds for you, but it does a whole lot for the algorithm of this channel. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. And I need you to stay spooky.